Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, my name is Ayu Yashan Putra, and this is my friend
Angga Al-Fatih.
So, today we will make a simple breakfast.
How to make simple breakfast.
So, the
Ingredient.
So, this is the ingredient. So, first we are having a bread. Secondly, we have milk and also milk again, normal water, yes, hot water, and also a plate. So first we are gonna make the bread first.
Okay. Now, the spread is looks commonly and looks plain. Okay, so I want to upgrade to more sweeter and delicious. Okay, first we do an open up. Put on the plate and we open it. This bread is kind of pan. Now, it's like this. Don't open until break this into two part. And open the condensed milk. This milk is salty white and I mean original. Then not have a taste. I mean prefer. Open it.
Yes, this.
Okay. Now we pour on the bread and filling. Pour until the fill is empty. It's more looks
Very delicious.
yes, it's the most sweeter and no. And then we and look at this. We close again. Okay. And this more sweeter. Okay, next.
So, the secondary we make milk. So first we open the milk. We pour the milk in the glass. And we give open the
Can we add the condensed milk? It's the most sweeter and delicious.
well, it's optional.
It's optional, okay. Up to
We
you.
pour to the hot water to the glass. Oh yeah. Then you need a spoon to
Stick it.
stir it. After we stir it, we pour the normal water to the glass. Don't too many, because it will make the milk is have a disgusting taste. Correct?
That is
Taste. So this is a simple breakfast idea to you make in your home. So maybe that's all from us. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you to next video. Goodbye.